think we got a while.
Seeking the unknown, to pursue the calling, to discover something within ourselves, understanding our limits, or going out to find them. That's adventure.
So we woke up from camp. We were at the Grandview Sandbar campground. We were fortunate enough to squeeze in somebody else's campsite because you could only camp in the designated spots and it's walk-in only. So we found a place to stay last night, and now we're headed north up 41 to near Leyland, and that's where we'll take Berry Mountain Road back down to Thurman, and that's just kind of a scenic ride for us to start our day. Here we are starting out on Berry Mountain Road, and we're headed to Thurman again.
There's a long day ahead of us, and we're not quite sure where we'll end up when the sun goes down. We'll just keep riding until there's no daylight left. This day will have left us with an indescribable sense of awe as we traverse the mountains through to the highest point in West Virginia and back down the other side, all while taking in the landscape around us and experiencing the outskirts of the Appalachian Mountains through the Monongahela National Forest.
The campsite.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh, okay, I know where we are now. I was up here last night.
Oh, this is off of Thurman. Oh,
Yeah,
cool.
This is where I came up to see if I could get self-service.
Gotcha.
We won't be stopping again in Thurman, just passing through as we make our way to New River Gorge.
Oh, there's a swing down here.
Yeah, it should be a really nice day. I don't forget. One of these days is getting up over 80, so.
Passing over New River Gorge gives us a sense of space, as we have mostly been under the cover of the trees. It provides an awareness to the distance we are traveling. Having started our morning at Grandview Sandbar Campground, we've already traveled a good distance up the river and across New River Gorge Bridge, where we've arrived at the Visitor Center for the National Park. A short stop allows us to appreciate the bridge from a different perspective, along with the scenic view of the gorge. We now begin riding towards Spruce Knob, with a couple detours along the way. One of those detours is the Highland Scenic Highway, and we'll be riding the northern part of the Cranberry Corridor to get there.
grade, alright.
The what?
8% grade.
Yeah. Holy crap, dude.
As we enter the Highland Scenic Highway, we will ascend more than 2,000 feet to experience the scenic overlooks and meet a few other adventure bikers along the way.
Gas?
Yeah. So, we're passing through Green Banks, West Virginia right now, and you can see that huge telescope over there. So we just pulled off, and that's what it is, the Green Banks Science Center and Observatory. I think if we turn off here, yeah, we can maybe get a good view of it.
From our encounters with two other adventure biker groups, we've been told that this whole town has a ban on microwaves, TVs, radios, and a bunch of other electronics that might interfere with this telescope that measures 2.5 acres across. We now begin a long trek across several gravel roads, which should ultimately lead us to the top of Spruce Knob.
Yeah, we need to make sure we get the cutover right.
Yeah, I can't. It's like I saved all this stuff, but it's now showing me a very low res version. So all of the lines that even are the Onyx tracks are like not. They like shortcutted all of the tracks, so I don't know where the exact contour is.
No, I'll get us there.
Oh, that's a hiking trail. Where to now?
Oh, this is where it is. So we want to go straight, it looks
This
like.
way?
Yeah. I'll double check real quick. Yeah, it looks right.
Yeah, you're right.
Take some pictures here. This is sweet. I might strip some layers down, I'm not sure. Ooh. So we are on the road to go up to Spruce Knob now, and as you can see over here, all the way down there is the road that we just came up, and we've been on this gravel roads for quite some time now. So we're moving along here, gaining elevation. Really cool landscape up here with all these massive boulders on a grassy hillside. And yeah, it may be a little while till we're up there. We'll see.
I think we got a while.
So we can check Google and just punch in Yokum's and see how far it says it is. But we'll hang out here for a minute. There's a little hike to get there. As we start down the other side of the mountain, it will take us about an hour to reach Yokum's vacation land, where we hope we can get a place to camp for the night. You watch, I'm gonna have my knee scraping the pavement around this sucker.
Oh my god. Oh yeah.
On the dual sport.
I was like 2 feet away.
Yeah.
It's like those memes, like what I think I look like versus what I actually look like.
Yeah. Finally, we reach our destination and secure the last available lodging in a teepee, which will save us the time of setting up our tents. We use that time to tighten the chains on our bikes after the day's long stretches of gravel riding, and go over the bikes, making sure they are ready for the next day's journey. As the evening comes to a close, we look forward to tomorrow's plans, which will take us even deeper into the Monongahela National Forest. You won't want to miss out on what's next. Make sure you're subscribed and ready for the rest of West Virginia.